Welcome back to another episode from the Palm Tree Grands. Today, we are at Hollywood Studios. We're going to head on over to Galaxy's Edge and visit Savi's secret workshop because we've always wanted to hand build a lightsaber. If you've ever wondered what this experience entails, we're here to show you. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, let's talk about pricing and availability right up front. To hand build a lightsaber in Savi's workshop, it will cost you $274.99 plus tax. This is an incredibly popular experience, and it is highly recommended that you book this experience in advance. A limited number of same-day reservations may be available up to 2 hours in advance, and walk-ins may also be accommodated based on the day's availability. Full payment is required at the time of booking. This price awards you one lightsaber build per experience. A carrying case is also included in the price. The age recommendation for this experience is 5 years or older. The experience area is limited to the builder and one guest. The guest may not build a lightsaber. At least one person in the party must be 14 years or older. Custom lightsabers are non-refundable and are not eligible for annual pass holder discounts or any other discount. Now, located within Galaxy's Edge is the Black Spire Outpost. Here, you will find Savi's workshop, a covert location run by a group known as the Gatherers. From the far reaches of the galaxy, the Gatherers have accumulated a plethora of unusual parts, whimsical pieces, and miscellaneous memorabilia. Under the guidance of the Gatherers, you will utilize these treasures to construct your very own lightsaber, Jedi's most sacred weapon. You will bring your lightsaber to life by choosing and installing a kyber crystal, the heart of the lightsaber. 4 colors are available to choose from: blue, green, violet, and red. Will you follow in the footsteps of Obi-Wan, Luke Skywalker, Rey? Or will you choose a path that leads to the dark side? Either way, choose carefully, and may the Force be with you.
We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten corners of the galaxy, abandoned outposts, fallen Jedi temples, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here into our workshop. So, where someone like a stormtrooper might see nothing but worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. Now, speaking of the past, I'm sure you are familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Excellent, very good. Now, some may say he's kind of extinct, but we hear there was another. A new Jedi. A scrapper from Jakku. Do any of you know her name? Correct, my friend, Rey. Well, Rey is leading, is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for so long, and that is why you are here. To look ahead. And, most importantly, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But, not if I keep talking. So, let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. Now, I'm sure you might recognize these from some of the greatest Jedi stories through our history. We begin, of course, with the blue crystal. Wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Which brings us, of course, to red. The color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Assange Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. So now it's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. So builders, close your eyes and focus. Focus on the color you see in your mind, the color that calls to you, the color that is yours. Trust your instincts. Trust in the Force. The builders in front of you. There's nothing behind you. The lightsaber design that you find
more jagged. They need to build carefully so there's not else to slide it together and you find the center point in the place. And then get on, my friend. Yeah, that'll be your emitter. You're actually have a few more steps to get there. We're gonna head over to number 5, your activation. You didn't pick? You got it. Well, sir. Well done. You hit the rightmost column. Select this step. Yourself is the opening of the chest, close it, pieces. If that's where you want it, that can be just perfect. And press and twist to the other side of the chest. Just like this, my friend. I recommend having this side turn towards you when you do this. And you press north, right is tight, left is deep. Yep. That's those are the pieces you want. Where you like them? Make sure.
All the way around.
Find the combination that works out best for you.
Okay, from here you're going to grab the middle, call the 3 calls.
You may want to add a little in there. That's to the right.
That will go right on the top. And then you're going to combo have to form the echo distinct.
And then in the meantime, my friend, you get to say my favorite type. Now, an intermittent column is going to be depth. There one of these two options here. Things are going to be you get with the grip here and one it's going to go on the open. You know, flip it over.
Very well done, Jace.
You need the difference in the design space to say you're looking at
Now, a lot of people would say that's not what you get. Go ahead and reach your hand out towards your lightsaber hilt and take this next moment to be still, to feel that connection, to be mindful of the living force, to reflect, to focus, and to listen. Well done, my friends. You have completed your hilts, which leads us now to the most dangerous stage in the process. So I'm going to ask you to leave your hilts on your stations and to move back for me. Goes very carefully into the crystal stabilization chambers. Now, I am sure that some of you are aware that in a more traditional lightsaber build, the Jedi would typically use their own abilities in the Force to stabilize their kyber crystal themselves. But due to what's that?
Many are still now. Join me. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time to take the next step. We have reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to come forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, we will activate them together. So my question for you is, are you ready?
Yeah.
Then come forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
How complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but believe you, it cannot. Your journey can both begin. May the Force be with you.
Your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we'll be telling your story. And one last time, raise your sabers and activate. Till the spire!
Till the spire!